This video teaches you how to find articles at the Mookini's online resources. Like finding books, you start off by coming to the library homepage, hilo.hawaii.edu/library, and scrolling down to sign in as an HCC student. Click on the Hawaii Community College link, and then click on the link for the campus at which you are affiliated. There are many different ways to access journal articles through the online resources at Mookini Library. My favorite one is the subject area list of databases. On this page, you will find all of the databases, all the subjects that Hawaii Community College students have access to. For our class, most of the things we are going to need are going to be found under the Environmental Sciences tab. When you click on that, the courses, the databases start showing up here at the bottom of the screen, and if you scroll down, you'll see all of the databases that relate to environmental sciences. Any one of these is fine. I use Greenfile a lot. Like the book catalog, this opens up a search screen that you can use to find the category or subject that you're looking for. You just type it in here and hit search. You will notice that there are an awful lot of articles about climate change, 26,237 to be exact. And as you look at them, you'll find that most of them are quite modern. Because you have restrictions on what you're going to be looking for, you may want to use an advanced search rather than scrolling through yourself and trying to find the proper date and stuff. The advanced search gives you a lot of options. You can refine things by adding more keywords or by adding authors or any of that. But what you want for this assignment is to refine it by the date of publication. So you scroll down the page until you see publication date. I have also told you that you have to have a scholarly source, so you can limit it to only peer-reviewed journals. And you're going to have two different dates that you're looking for, but right now let's look for articles from 1990. We want to look for articles that start in January of 1990 and end in December. Their publication ends in December of 1990. And we want it to be an academic journal. So once you've chosen all of these criteria, you can come on over and click search again to find the sources. One of the first things you may notice is that we went from over 26,000 articles to now just 38 that are published in 1990. And like anything on this, you can scroll up and down to look at all 38. When you have picked the two that you're interested in, you simply click on the title, just like with books, to get more information on them. This page will give you everything you ever want to know about these articles, including sometimes the full text if you want to read them yourself. Over on the right-hand side of the page in this menu, there is a link to your citation resources. And like the LibCat, there are a number of formats. It will write them for you. You don't have to worry about how to format different ones. And you just use this scroll button here to get to the one you wanted. Since I used APA when I was selecting the books, I will use it again here, and I will simply copy the citation, paste it into my Word document, alphabetize that, and submit it through Laulima.